so I am done with my hair. I'm gonna fix it tomorrow, but for the most part I did the majority of it. You know, I curled it and stuff like that. This is the hairstyle that I am rocking. I did buy this Topics thing to try to blend my hair with the clip-ins because it's black and my hair is blonde. But I'm like, you know what? Because if I touch my hair, it's going to come off on my hands, and I don't want to deal with all that. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to just keep it blonde. Like, it's not that bad with the blonde. Like, it looks kind of cute. Like, it's like highlights, you know? Like, it gives it some flavor. And it's like blonde, like, over here and over here. So, I don't know. I don't know. I'm feeling the blonde over the black. But it's like, it's, you know, it's growing on me. These are the curls that I did. It's super cute. I used a flat iron, Baby Bliss flat iron to curl my hair. I didn't record that part because I don't know, I just wanted to get my hair done and get it over with. But if you guys want a video of me curling my hair, then I'll do that in another video. But yeah, I'm about to just put this bonnet on, go to sleep, child. Like, sis, I am exhausted. Like, I am super tired. I didn't even do I'm not doing my edits until tomorrow, but yeah, I'm gonna do my edits tomorrow, and I'm gonna fix up whatever curls I need to fix up tomorrow. But it's giving bounce. I love it. Like, it's cute. It's cute, and it has like, the only thing is that my blonde hair is like frizzing up, but I'll fix that tomorrow. I don't got the patience right now. I'm super tired. I am going to like probably watch a Netflix series or whatever, finish watching The Circle, and I'm probably just gonna head to sleep because I'm tired. I have to get up in the morning for church. So